connecting flights for Alaska Alpha. Check the monitors inside the terminal. Before exiting the aircraft, please make sure of all your belongings with you. Don't maintain a comfortable cabin temperature. Please ensure your air vents open.
Everything okay?
Nice cockpit.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was good, huh?
Yeah. Small thing. Oh, we're getting out of
Yeah.
Whoa, this is different.
Yeah.
Oh man, guys, this is different. I haven't done this in a while. No. I know. Gotta go outside the. It's the smallest plane I've been in the world. How long were we in the air?
Excuse me?
How long were we in the air?
30 minutes.
That's it, right?
That's it.
Man, that's the shortest international flight.
It might be the shortest international flight.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yes, I totally agree. Yeah. Wow. All right. Thank you.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to LA.
LA, okay.
Yeah. I normally use a bus. I come to Vancouver. It's the first time I've used a plane.
Yeah. Wow, okay. That's a long bus ride.
No, it's not that. No, from Bellingham.
Oh, okay.
Because I fly to Seattle. It's cheaper, you know.
I see. Yeah. Yeah.
The first time I just came direct.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Where are you going to?
Idaho, Boise, Idaho.
Is that where you're from?
Well, I'm from New York originally, but I live there now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Been there about 8 years.
All right. Idaho.
That's all right.
What? Is that your team? All right, we are winning. All right. That guy wanted to know if I'm wearing a San Francisco 49ers jersey. That's his team. Like 99. Football season. So right now we are going to custom.
Safe travels the rest of your way, my man.
You too, bud.
Okay.
All right.
See you.